Where are you going?
Right here.
You're going that way? Okay. Let's go this way, Eli. Okay, hold on. We got two here. We got two here. On the deck! Eli, stay with mommy. Oh, this gun! Switch me. Watch that side. Watch right side. Hold on, watch right side. Very left, very left. Oh! The gun! Oh, I got you! Go this way, come this way, come this way, come this way. Watch. Okay, sitting back there. Sitting back here. going that way? This is right here. There it goes.
Uh-oh, right here, on deck.
There's one behind the dirt pile.
No, behind the dirt pile.
Wait, someone might be coming behind us.
Yeah, watch back there. Eli, stay here.
Keep on rolling, see it's going back.
This is what we're gonna do. Eli, we get to run together, okay? You're gonna run first. You stay there. Watch that side. No, come here. I have an idea. Come here. You can do this. Me and Eli are gonna run first. As soon as we come out, he has to shoot one of us, okay? Ready? Back over there. Get back up. No, over there. Don't come on in there.
Sydney's way in the back again. Oh my God. No, but I got a nasty jam. No. Oh, we hit bullets. I got a nasty stinking jam. Charge him. You go one side, I go the other. Go that way, Sid. Don't get too close.
get me! I thought you got me! You missed!